how to hide Snapchat notifications on your lock screen on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop Snapchat messages and alerts from showing up when your phone is locked. First, long press the Snapchat icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. From there, tap Notifications. After that, tap Notification Categories to see all the different notification types for Snapchat. At this point, tap on the category you want to hide from your lock screen, such as chat notifications or snap notifications. Following this, go to your settings on your device. From here, select Lock Screen and then toggle it off, and notifications will stop any Snapchat alerts from appearing on your lock screen completely. Finally, repeat the same steps for any other notification categories you want to hide from your lock screen as well. That's how you hide Snapchat notifications on your lock screen on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.